Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my preschoolers homeschool curriculum. Presley, my daughter, is 3, almost 4, so mainly school for her just looks like a lot of playing, arts and crafts, time outside, and I do have some books for her to do and worksheets and activities and games as she wants to. So it's not super structured. I'm not forcing her to do anything at this age. It's just very open. If she wants to do it, she can. So let's go ahead and go over all of Presley's curriculum. So starting off, the main curriculum that I'm using is the preschool course book by The Good and the Beautiful. Like I said in previous videos, I absolutely love their curriculum. So we got the newly recreated preschool course book and we are loving it so far. She absolutely enjoys it. She loves the little videos that are offered on their YouTube channel, and it's just really going well and she's having a lot of fun. So we do one lesson each day if she feels up to it from the preschool course book. Then we have the practice sheets, which are awesome. They tell you when to use them and she is loving them so far. There's just all kinds of stuff in here and it's really great and it works really well for her. Then here we have her Mermaid Folder, and this is where she just keeps stuff that she's done in there. Then by Melissa and Doug we have Scissor Skills. This is just cutting practice, which she loves, has a lot of fun with. They have all different activities, so we just work through that as she wants. Then I got the mammal set as well. So she's got this I Can Spy Mammals book. This is super fun. She really enjoys this, finding all the different animals. Then we got Poetry Party for Littles. We haven't used this yet, but I think it's gonna be really fun. We have Insect and Spider Mazes, which she loves. You just use a dry erase marker with this and they're super cute, fun little mazes. Then also sticking with Good and the Beautiful, we got some of these. So I didn't cut out all of these yet just because we're not on these letters yet, but these are little activities that you just cut out and they have to match the upper and lowercase letter with the picture it goes with. So we've got a few of those. And then over here are the game activities that I've cut out already. So we have no, that's not right. This goes over here. So this is one of those upper lowercase letter activities here. Then she has small mammals. So you just are matching the mammals to create the picture. They're all mixed up. So she's got mammals, large mammals, small, butterflies, and creepy little beetles. So she really has fun with those. Then we have the preschool folder activity set, which comes with a whole bunch of preschool activities. These are super cool. If you guys want a really in-depth look at this curriculum, let me know. I will post that for sure because there's some really fun stuff in here. I highly recommend the preschool curriculum and the kindergarten and the first grade. Those are the ones we've used so far and I've got nothing but good things to say about them. So that is everything with The Good and the Beautiful for her curriculum. Now these are just extra like supplemental things that I have for her to use. So I've got this little color book for her. She loves to color. She is just super into coloring, arts and crafts, all that kind of thing. Then we've got these wipe clean books, first letters, alphabet, ready for writing, and an outdoor. I think this outdoor one is actually Mason's, but I grabbed it. We've got the big preschool book. Mason actually used this a little bit, so what he didn't do, she is kind of going through when she wants. Oh, also from Good and the Beautiful, we have the Doodles and pre-writing books. I forgot to mention these. So we have 1 and 2, and these are just fun. They're great to practice holding a pencil correctly, following lines, starting to write letters, numbers, things like that. She really enjoys that as well. And then I have her beginner character cards from September & Co. I love these. These are super fun. So they come with the cards, and then I did get the wood holders. So each card is just beautifully illustrated, and then it tells what each card means. So honesty, saying what is true, and then it gives some examples of what you can do, and a Bible verse. And then it also comes, or maybe I bought extra, the little magnets with each picture on it as well. And she has really been loving that, and they're just so beautifully created too. I love them. They're really pretty. So she's got that, and then some little extra things. So she has a sensory bin. This is actually for both the kids, but they've got a sensory bin. I have all of our Halloween themed books here that they can go through. Then we have the calendar that she loves. She just really loves playing with it. Some days I'll come over and it'll be all decorated with the little wooden chips, which is super cute. So then we have a lot of arts and crafts type things for the kids, for Presley as well. She has a bunch of color books. I buy all kinds of these little craft sets from Target. They're super inexpensive and they're really fun. They made like monsters and stuff here. We did one where you paint rocks. They're super cute. I always have paint on hand. Then we have a dry erase board that she clearly uses. Then we've got paints, markers, stamps. We also have this giant activity, arts and crafts set that she loves to use. So that is super fun as well. And then we also have things like magnetiles, blocks, and chalk, all that kind of stuff. So that is gonna round up all of Presley's preschool curriculum. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, she's 3, almost 4, so nothing super structured yet. It probably won't be until she's 5 or 6, but yeah, this stuff is working great. We are loving it, and I will link everything down below. So please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube community here, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Leave me any comments, and have a great day, guys. Bye.